In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform Sign to effortlessly manage your document signing process. Whether you're working in a busy office environment or simply need to get important documents signed quickly, Jotform Sign can be a real game changer. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by uploading the document that you need to have signed. Once you've logged into your Jotform account, navigate to the Jotform Sign section. Here, you'll see an option to add a new document. Click on the Upload button and locate the file on your computer. Supported file types typically include PDFs, so make sure your document is saved in the appropriate format. After selecting your file, you'll hit Upload. Within a few moments, your document will appear in the Jotform dashboard, and it'll be ready for the next steps. Now that your document is successfully uploaded, the next task is to add signature fields. This is where Jotform's intuitive interface really shines. Take a moment to review your document layout so you know where the signatures need to go. Look for the Add Field option, usually located at the top or side of the interface, and select Add Signature Field. Click on the spot within the document where you need a signature, and Jotform will place the field for you. If there's more than one signer or multiple signature spots required, go ahead and click on each place to add a field accordingly. At this stage, you might want to adjust the field settings. You can do this by clicking on the field and dragging it to the precise location if needed. There's also the option to customize fields by assigning names or titles to each signature area, which is particularly useful when different parties are involved in the signing process. Once you're satisfied with where the fields are placed, take a moment to review the document for accuracy and placement. Finally, you're ready to proceed to the most critical task: signing or sending the document for signing. If you are the party responsible for signing immediately, simply click into the signature field and use your mouse or trackpad to provide your signature. Jotform also supports touchscreen inputs if you're on a compatible device. If someone else needs to sign, navigate to the Send for Signing option. Here, you'll enter the recipient's email address and include any message or instructions they might need to complete the signing process. Jotform will handle the rest, sending out notifications and tracking signatures to ensure you know when the document has been signed. And there you have it. You've just learned how to manage the entire process of document signing using Jotform Sign, from upload through to obtaining those crucial signatures. It's a simple, seamless way to handle important paperwork and keep your productivity